Hello everyone. Today we, the Pantomarks, a group of Kendriya Vidyalaya Berhampur, are going to present to you our marathon project Agrify, a website to solve the supply-demand imbalance in agriculture.
As on 15 February of this year, the prices of cauliflower reduced by 95% from Rs 40 per kg to Rs 2 per kg. Due to such situations, the farmer face harsh conditions where the price of the crop or the harvest is not compensated by the harvest itself. Such scenarios are created due to a supply-demand imbalance in the market, where though the consumers strike good deals, the farmers suffer.
Another case of supply-demand imbalance is the case of onion, when the supply of onion had reduced drastically, and due to increase in demand for it, the price of onion rose as high as Rs 100 per kg during the lockdown. In this case, however, due to the supply-demand imbalance, the farmers don't suffer, but the consumers do, a lot indeed.
After having studied these two cases, we may have concluded that we need a solution to mitigate the price fluctuation and manage the demand and supply in the market.
Thus, we need a way of monitoring the available supplies of crops and the ongoing demands for them. Imagine having a tool with the help of which a farmer, before investing in a crop, analyzes the supplies and demands of various crops in his or her area. It would then enable him or her to choose and invest on the crop which would give best results, fulfilling all the market demands and thus giving the farmers a handsome amount of money. Our aim thus is to make a such handy tool.
The tool we have made is a website which gives the user, in most cases the farmers, a visual representation of the supplies being produced in an area that he or she chooses and is most likely to be where he or she grows his or her crops. This crop data being shown is either sourced from farmers and is about the crop that they are growing, or by a government official who regularly records the crop data and provides it to the website. The user can thus now analyze the data and invest in the crop that would be an optimal product to meet the demands of the market, which would help in creating a supply-demand balance.
In the future, the website can thus be improved by following ways. The data from the government land records website Bulek can be integrated for reliable land data. A machine learning model may be implemented which predicts the most optimum crop to be grown, with the help of a farmer's profile which includes land geography, elevation, nearest water source and climatic conditions.
Due to the time limit, we could not include the prototype demo, but you could check out the link in the description for a video detailing how the website looks and works. And if you are an evaluator, check your research document for the link of the website and the user ID and password to log in. You can also check out the website. The link is given in the description. Thank you.